Under Lal Bahadur Shastri, a program was initiated, which is now known as the Green Revolution. And the pillar of the Green Revolution was very simple, that we're going to focus on certain areas, that is Punjab and Haryana, because they're closer to Delhi. And also, historically, in the last century, they had built extensive networks of irrigation canal. So they were quite fertile. And the agriculture was well developed as compared to the eastern part of India. So we focused there. We told them, that we are going to give you easy access to credit. We are going to give you easy access to water, electricity, and not only that, we are going to guarantee you that the state is going to buy whatever you produce at a minimum price. So that a minimum support price, not the minimum price, because that's a floor price. So we told them that you focus on wheat and rice. This is what we need for the public distribution system. So you grow wheat and rice. We are going to ensure that all of that is bought at a good enough price, which is now known as minimum support price, and that will be procured by the state under the Sarkari Mandis, which is what you call APMCs today. So this was the entire system. The root or the origin of APMC basically goes back to the 19th century under the British rule, when they wanted to extract resources from Indian agriculture for the British industry. So they set up these uh, government or the Sarkari marketing committees in the central India, in the region of Berar, and the cotton farmers were forced to sell all their cottons into these mandis to the government appointed agents. So that is the origin. But of course, the APMC system we have today is different from what it was then. But that is the origin, that this is what lies. You want to channelize the resources from the agriculture for a specific purpose. Under PDS, APMC, we are also doing the same. We're channelizing the wheat and rice into PDS system through the APMC.